So here VC is equal to capacitor voltage VC is 0. VC is equal to 0 at time t is equal to 0 seconds. The voltage across the capacitor is 0 at time t is equal to 0 seconds. For t greater than or equal to 0, find the capacitor current. Find the okay. Find the capacitor current. That is called IC of t. Okay, this is the circuit diagram. Plus minus here. So 10 volts, 20k, and this is also called 20k. This is called capacitor. Allow me to take this question, and this is called current flowing to the capacitor IC of t. It's called 4 microfarads. Find IC of t for t greater than or equal to 0. So otherwise I will explain here. So what is the voltage across the capacitor is given already. VC is equal to 0 at a time d is equal to 0 means. Okay, so that means VC of 0 minus is equal to VC of 0 plus. Capacitor is not allow the sudden changes in current. Okay, capacitor is not allow the sudden changes in current. So that's why. So VC of 0 minus is equal to VC of 0 plus is equal to same 0 volts. Is given like this. And then IC of 0 plus just after the switching action. So what happened? Capacitor at the time of at the instant of switching action, capacitor does not allow the sudden changes in voltage. Capacitor at the time of at t is equal to 0 plus means at the time of switching actions. So here capacitor is not allow the sudden changes in voltage. That's why it's acting as a short circuit. On a short circuit condition. So what is the current? So what is the circuit? So capacitor does not allow sudden changes in voltage. This is the equivalent circuit. So circuit will be like this: 20k and 20k, and this is called so short circuited. Okay, capacitor does not allow the sudden changes in voltage. That's why it's short circuited. And here, what is this? 10 ohm, 10 volts, and then this is called IC of 0 plus. Okay, so I means so IC of D is nothing but okay, IL of infinity, IC of infinity plus IC of 0 minus IC of infinity into e power minus t by 10. So I'm substituting this equation. So IC of 0 plus is nothing but, so it's from this. Okay, that's why IC of 0 plus is equal to here the short circuited. That's why this only this current is flowing like this. So 20 kilo ohm resistor is in value. That's why 10 divided by 20k. Am I right? That is equal to 0.5 milliamps. Okay, this is called 0.5 milliamps. So IC of 0 minus is equal to 0.5 milliamps. No? And then we need to find so IC of infinity. Under steady state condition, what is the current flowing through the capacitor? At t is equal to infinity, capacitor will acting as open circuit. Capacitor will be acting as open circuit means the circuit will be like this: 20 kilo ohm resistor, 20 kilo ohm resistor, and then capacitor will be acting as open circuit. Okay, open circuited. That's why the current flowing to the capacitor is equal to 0. So 10 volts, 20k, so 20k. So under open circuit condition, what is the current? IC of infinity is equal to 0 amps. That's why IC of infinity is equal to 0. So then IC of t is equal to IC of infinity is equal to 0, no? Plus IC of 0, 0.5 milliamps minus 0 to e power minus t by tau. So here time constant don't know. So we need to find a time constant. This is for t greater than or equal to 0. So time constant is nothing but RC. Okay, time constant is equal to R into C. So how to find time constant? So here 20 kilo ohm resistor, and this is called 20 kilo ohm resistor, and the voltage source is short circuited, and this is called a capacitor. Okay, so 4 microfarads, and then this is called 20k, and this is called 20k, and then so what is the time constant is equal to R equivalent into C. Na? Time constant is equal to R equivalent into C. Then time constant is equal to 20k into 20k divided by R1 by R1 plus R2, 20k plus 20k. So into capacitor. So that is called how much? 4 microfarads. Okay. So 4 microfarads, 4 into 10 to the power of minus 6. So we'll get approximately 40 milliseconds. Okay. 40 milliseconds. Time constant is equal to 40 milliseconds. Substitute in this equation, we'll get IC of t. IC of t is equal to 0.5 into 0.5. Okay. So 0.5 into e power minus t by tau. Tau is equal to 40 milliseconds. 40 into 10 to the power of minus 3. So milliamps t equal to 0. This is the expression. This is the solution. Okay. Here's the one question. And then next question. Second question. In the given figure, the switches was closed since long time. In the given figure, okay, switch was closed since a long time. Since a long time. It's a long time before opening. Okay, at t is equal to 0. Find Vx. Okay, find Vx at t is equal to 0 plus. So this is the circuit diagram. So here 2.5 amps here, 3.5 amps and 20 ohms here. Understood? This is the circuit like this. So t is equal to 0, and then this is inductor, and close like this, and 20 ohm resistor is connected. So like this manner, this is called 20 ohm resistor. Here minus plus, so this is called Vx. Okay, so voltage across the resistor. So 20 ohms and connected like this one. So find the Vx at t is equal to 0 plus. Okay, solution for this problem. So you know well, at t is equal to 0 minus, switch is at t is equal to 0, switch is open. At t is equal to 0 minus, what is the switch? So this switch is so like this. Means at t is equal to 0, switch is open. T is equal to 0, switch open. That means t is equal to 0 minus, switch closed. Okay, understood. So like this, the circuit is so 20 ohm resistor, and this is called current. So it's closed, and under steady state condition, inductor acting as a short circuit, inductor acting as a short circuit, and this is the resistor. Okay, and here 20 ohm, understood, and so here 2.5 amps, and then here 20 ohms. So this is called inductor. So IL of 0 minus. So what is the current flowing through the inductor? IL of 0 minus is equal. Under steady state condition, current is always flowing into the low resistance path. So no current flowing to the 20 ohm resistor, and also this current flowing here 0 amps. The current flowing in this direction is also 0 amps. So only its current is circulating. That is called 2.5 amps. IL of 0 minus is equal to 2.5 amps. So okay, we are checking initial conditions are exist or not. So initial conditions are exist. Okay. So what is the question? At t is equal to 0 plus find the Vx, at t is equal to 0 plus find Vx. Okay, then at t is equal to 0 plus, what is the circuit? This is the circuit condition. Inductor does not allow the sudden changes in current. Inductor does not allow the sudden changes in current. It acting as a, okay, it acts as a open circuit. And also at t is equal to 0 plus at t is equal to 0, switch is open. So that's why, so open. So switch is open. So this is called 2.5 amps. So here 20 ohms, and here connected inductor act as open circuit. Okay, inductor acting as open circuit, but with current source. So like this. So this is the resistor connected across this. So initially current IL of 0 minus is equal to 2.5 amps. That's why it acting as a source. So what is the here 20 ohms, 20 ohms, and then here plus and here minus. Here current 2.5 amps. This is open circuit. That's why there is no current flowing in the direction, and also there is no current flowing in the direction because of the circuit is not closed. So that's why. So the 2.5 amps current is flowing in this direction only. The current is flowing in this direction only. Okay, this 2.5 amps current flowing into the circuit is like this. So the current enters so into the 20 ohm resistors like this manner 2.5 amps opposite. Here enters at, it is called plus, and here it is called, here it is called plus, it is minus. That's why. So V is equal to Vx. It's called voltage across the 20 ohm resistor. Vx is equal to, okay, so minus 2 V is equal to I into 2.5 into 20. How much? So 50 minus 50 volts. So Vx at t is equal to 0 plus. So this is the answer. Is it clear? This is the answer. At t is equal to 0 plus, the circuit condition is like this. It's open, inductor is open circuit, but it acting as a source. That's why the current is circulated like this. And opposite. Here plus, here minus, but the current enters at negative terminal. That's why you will get minus 2.5 into 20. So Vx is equal to minus 50. Okay. And then next problem. In the given circuit, switch open since a long time. Okay, long time. And it is and it is closed at t is equal to 0. Find I of t. Find current I of t for t greater than or equal to 0. So this is the circuit. This is called I of t. This is the switch. Resistor, inductor, 15 millihenry. Okay. So 1.5 amps. So here 10 ohms. Find the current I of t. Here like this. Find the current I of t here. Okay. So for this question, find at t is equal to 0 minus, find IL of 0 minus. Okay. And similarly, at t is equal to 0 plus, solution t is equal to 0 plus, find okay IL of 0 plus. So that is means I of 0 plus. And find after t is t greater than 0, t is equal to greater than or equal to 0, find time constant. Okay. After that, find IL of infinity. Okay, steady state condition. Find IL of infinity, and after that, substitute this all values in I of t is equal to novel I of infinity, IL of infinity, I of infinity plus I of 0 minus I of infinity e power minus t by 2. Okay, for t greater than or equals to, you will get the answer. So this answer for this problem is equal to I of t is equal to, all of you solve. This is called assignment. So minus 0.125 e power minus 100 t. Okay, this is the solution answer for this problem. Solve I of 0. Okay, I of 0 minus, I of 0 plus, and then I of infinity and the time constant. You substitute all this here, we'll get this answer. Okay, that is the third question. And then next question, fourth question. So this is the circuit diagram. The following circuit, the switch is open circuit. In the following circuit, the switch open sector. Switch open set t is equal to 0. Determine I of t. Okay, for the circuit. Here on resistor, this is the circuit. .5 Henry. This is called current I of t. Find I of t. This is called a 10 ohm resistor. It's called 3 amps. This is called the 5 ohm resistor. Find I of t. So that is a full answer for this. It's equal to 2 plus e power minus 10t, t greater than or equal to 0. This is the answer. It's clear. This is the problem. Assignment. This is called. So 2 problems are under assignment. This is called assignment. Okay. Here is also called. This is also called assignment. And fifth problem. The following circuit is which closes at t is equal to 0. The following circuit switch closes at t is equal to 0. Determine v of t comma I of t. Okay, so this is the circuit diagram. So plus minus here 10 volts here resistor. This is called capacitor. Here 1/3 farads. So like this the circuit, and the t is equal to 0, and this is called 6 ohm resistor minus plus. Okay, so 1/3 farads. This is called the current I, and the volt is V. So it's called a 5 ohm resistor. Here it is called 30 volts. Is understood. Find I of t. 10 minutes. 10 minutes within 10 minutes. 3:30. So this is the find by using circuit. This is the I of t and V of t. Is clear. Okay. The remaining problems I will explain that. This is the assignment problems. All of you try to see solve problems. Assignment is also assignment and also assignment. These are 3 questions. So this is enough today. So remaining lectures we will discuss in next class.